I've created a daily task manager Notion template using the time blocking productivity system. This isn't just any template. It's designed to make time blocking easy and effective for you, whether you're new to it or looking to fine-tune your approach. Let me walk you through it. First and foremost, the template has a time blocking guide that will teach you the basics of time blocking with tips on how to allocate your time effectively. The daily time block section allows you to plan and schedule blocks of tasks for the day. In addition to that, you can prioritize your tasks as per level of importance and set your expected start and ending time for each task. You also get to divide your tasks into smaller micro-tasks in order to simplify their execution. Each daily tasks you enter gets reflected into the weekly and monthly time block sections. The weekly and monthly time blocks allow you to schedule your tasks weeks and even months ahead, allowing you to stay ahead of your tasks. They also give you a wide overview of your task's management behavior throughout the week and month. You can also easily drag daily repetitive tasks between days of the week, so you don't have to make new entries every day. This is pretty handy for tasks that you do each and every day of the week, like checking your emails every morning. The stopwatch widget in this template helps you track how long tasks actually take, so you can adjust your blocks for future planning. In addition to that, there are the morning and evening routine sections that allow you to establish strong personalized routines for the most productive day and evening. If you're tired of procrastinating and want a simple yet powerful way to take control of your time, this daily task manager Notion template is exactly what you need. Download it now and start blocking your time like a pro. You can find the link to the template in the video description and pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who could use a productivity boost.